It's been a minute since we've gotten one of these, so when this beautiful Tiffany blue box showed up at my doorstep, I was like, what's that? And then I was like, oh yeah, it's the Sew Sampler. Awesome! Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we're going to dive into the Sew Sampler package for December 2020. So here's the burning question that you're all asking. We didn't get a box in December because there were shipping delays, and Fat Quarter Shop was kind enough to not charge us until they had all the supplies for the box. So a couple of days ago, I noticed my debit card got hit for the $31.39 that it cost for this box, and that is just over a week ahead of schedule from when they normally ship. So my assumption was it was going to be a December box. The question on the top of your mind is this for December or is this for January? Well, I can tell you I did break the tape just to take a peek inside, and let me show you. It is for December. So I'm really excited to show you the items that are in this box, and I'm really excited that in about another 2 weeks, if we're back on schedule, I should be getting my January box. So 2 boxes this month. Woohoo! Before we dive into the fun stuff in here, let me please ask you to help me with a goal that I am setting for myself for 2021. I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of this calendar year, and I am getting close to that. As of the recording of this video, I am about 6,700 subscribers. So that means I really just need like 3,300 more, and we can do it. If you like anything that you see here, if you like doing live sewing videos, if you like giveaways, if you like any of that stuff, hit that subscribe button down below, and that way you'll be notified the next time I go live, the next time I post a video, the next time I put something on my community tab saying that I'm having a giveaway. All of those things are fun things. Why wouldn't you want to hang out here with me? All right, let's dive into the Sew Sampler box for December. This card always has something on the back of it for subscribers. Usually it's coupon code, and this month is no different. We've got free shipping on any of our orders over $25. Woohoo! The first thing I have is a magnetic needle case. It says it's a Stay Sharp in navy. This is what it looks like here. It is in a plastic container, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. This sewing notion looks like it comes in navy, teal, and a pink with different sayings on each one of them. And I'm having a hard time getting this open, but I will win. There, I won. Yes, here it is. And so this is what the needle case looks like. It says it's magnetic. And so the inside in here is probably magnetic to hold needles. Let's just test that out, shall we? Yep, it's magnetic. And so the idea is that you put your pins or your needles in here, and it's got a pretty slim profile. It snaps shut. There you go. The retail value on this item is $8.98. So if these are something that you love, you can of course pick up the blue one. Although to me, this looks more green. I don't know why they listed it as navy. What color does that look like to you? They do have a teal one and a pink as well. Sweet notion. Next thing that we've got are 2 spools of 50 weight Aurifil thread in 2 different colors. So we have got a light salmon and a spun gold spool. This spool of thread, this is the light salmon one. This is color number 2220. And this one is the spun gold, obviously, and it is color number 2134. Both of these are 50 weight cotton thread, and the retail value for both spools together is $9.96. Every month, starting in April, running through March, Fat Quarter Shop does a block of the month program, and so you get a pattern for a block that in March you're going to get a finishing pattern for. This month we've got track number 9 for their sew along called the Greatest Hits Album Quilt, and this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a block with 4 friendship stars in it up here in the corner of the pattern block. This is a block of the month program that is free for Sew Sampler members. You get this card every month, but if you want to do this and you are not a Sew Sampler member, you can pick up the patterns. Each one of these cards costs $4.98 on their website. Next thing we've got is a pad of foundation paper piecing stuff. So this is what the pad looks like down here. It is to make the sparkle star block. And each piece of paper in here is made for foundation paper piecing, and each piece is completely the same throughout the entire thing. So you've got 42 pages of those sheets of paper, and each one should make a 6.5-inch block. This pad of paper retails for $7.98, and you do need to know how to do some foundation paper piecing to actually put this stuff together. If foundation paper piecing is something that's completely new to you and you've never tried it before and you want to get started, you're going to need those techniques to work with this paper pad. So here's what I'm going to do. Up at the top of the video, I'm going to give you a link to a video over on Yvette's YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to foundation paper piece, that's a great video for you to get started. And if you like what you're doing, she does have a membership program that I think costs about $20 a month. You can check it over at piecingitreal.com. This membership program gives you access to additional projects that she does. She designs unique patterns that are available only in her membership program and does full-length videos walking you through step-by-step, stitch-by-step, stitch exactly what to do that project. The retail value on this pad of paper, by the way, is $7.98. And I actually kind of like these because your points come out perfect. No muss, no fuss, no thinking, just straight piecing. The last things that we have, of course, are our pattern and our fabric. So every month we get a pattern and some of the fabric to actually make that item. And this month it looks like all we need to bring is the fabric that we get in this month's box, and then a ½ yard of background and a ½ yard of binding, and of course your batting and your backing to make this project. This is the project. It is the Twinkle Toes Table Runner by Lori Holt. This is a close-up of what that looks like, and it's kind of funny because when you're just looking at the individual block, which is kind of one of these colored pieces here with the sides on the border, you don't see the twinkle star. But if you look right here, you can see that secondary pattern appear. So that's really cool. You're going to use the fabric that you got plus some background. That twinkle star is going to be your background. This is what the pattern looks like. The inside of it is pretty easy to read if it would cooperate. It's a nice font, nice paper, and full color illustrations, and there's even room at the back of the pattern for some notes. This pattern retails for $9.98, I believe, and I'm just double checking. Yes, this pattern retails for $9.98. The next item that we have is our fabric, and so this month we have got a petite layer cake, which means we only have 20 prints instead of the 40 or 42 that we normally would get in a full layer cake, but that is just enough to make this table runner, so I'm not complaining at all. The fabric this month is the Flea Market line from Lori Holt, and I don't know that I can easily slide this down to show you the fabric in here, but I am going to try to pull some of this back so you can see. It's got a little bit of, I like this print. It's got some of the Lori Holt vibe to it, but there's a little too much yellow, orange, and green in it for my tastes. I don't know that I necessarily love this. I love the red. I like this one. That's not too bad. But I'm not a big autumn color person. I don't like orange and I don't like yellow. I absolutely love this print. And of course, I always love it when she does teals and aquas. And I love her red. Her red is the best red I've ever seen. So those are the prints that are in this little, oh, I still got a couple more. These are the prints that are in the little petite layer cake. Some of those fabrics I'm not a fan of. Some of them I absolutely love. I don't know. The overall fabric line, I think this might be, I might get some yardage of some of the prints, but I don't know that I'll splurge on a full fat quarter bundle like I've done with some of her previous collections. But that's the beauty of it. Everybody has their own taste, their own opinions. And so while I might not love this fabric, you might think it is the best thing ever. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this fabric line. And by the way, this petite layer cake retails for $18.98. That's everything in the December box. Thank you so much for diving into the contents with me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below, and come back on Friday nights at 8:30 Eastern time where we do some live sewing right here. I would love a chance to sew along with you. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.